Hi, this is Chris with Haven Home Lighting. Today we're going to be installing some LED lighting in this beautiful backyard. And we'll show you what it looks like and how we do the process as we go. So we're going to cut this strip down to size because we bought a longer strip than we actually needed. And you can cut it at any spot that you see the little scissor marking. So what I'm going to do is cut it right along that line. Peel the back off a little bit to get that started. I'm going to take a little bit of silicone, cover the end, and then we supplied an end cap for you. Just put the end cap right over it, wipe off the excess silicone, and you're all set. So during this install, we've got our controller mounted over here by the electric, and we're installing lights over by the steps where we just panned from. And to do that, we've used our handy trenching tool, and we've trenched a line so we can run our cable over to that section from the controller. Now, it's very important that you use the recommended cabling for this to reduce the voltage drop from controller to lights. It's extremely important to follow the recommendations on the instructions. One thing to keep in mind is that if you are going to bury the connections or the wires, make sure you use waterproof connectors and make sure all your cable is rated for in-ground burial. So that's the install. Pretty simple. Another Haven Home backyard in the books, and we'll show you what it looks like.